Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to get a Skrill card. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Skrill application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Skrill if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top side of the screen, we have the add, transfer, and exchange. In the bottom side of the screen, we have 5 tabs. We have the Home tab, where we are at the moment, the Card tab, we have the Crypto tab, Sports, and in the bottom right corner, the Rewards. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and get a Skrill card. So, first of all, go to the Skrill website or open the Skrill mobile app and log into your account. After that, navigate to the Skrill card section in your account and click on Apply Now. After clicking on Apply Now, fill out the application form with your name, address, and other required information. Then submit your application. And once approved, your physical card will be delivered to your address within 15 business days. In the meantime, you can use the digital version of your card for online payments and mobile wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.